Hey guys, it's Tank4899 on Envy Kills, and I am making a video of half of my fireworks stash that I just bought on last night, and then I'm buying more today. Let's get started. Just think of how much more I get. All right, hold up. Sorry guys. All right, so first off, we got the cattails. And these are it's a crackling tail, comes in pieces. I lit one off last night and they're pretty loud. Bought some fire fireballs. Buy one get one free deal. Got some magic whips that I got buy one get one free. Oh yeah, my favorite, some crackler bombs. Some more crackler bombs. Got the cuckoo, buy one get one free deal. Only like $7 maybe. They whistle and scream. Another cuckoo. I did the buy one get one free deal. Some more crackler bombs. I'm telling you, I love them. The killer bees. There's like 7 or 6 bees on this, and they scream very loud, very, very, very loud. Um, I got some of these. I can't remember what they're called, but they spin, and then the crackler bomb right there is loud. Got a whole bunch of them, only 50 cents. Some more crackler bombs. Now I got the new limited one that just came down to Grand Junction, crackle barrels. It's like a crackler bomb, except for this whole barrel thing goes all the way down, and it takes like 10 minutes. It's crazy. Gotta buy one get one free deal on that one too. Another one of these. Oh my god, the Screamer Fountain. Don't know if you guys ever heard of them. All it does is scream. It's very, very, very loud. Um, hold on. Trying to get my stuff in a pile here without it all being messy, you know? Okay, now we got um I bought me some dynamite, a whole line of them. Bought them for cheap, so I can tell you. And the very good deal is that I came back over there last night because I bought those on Friday, and I came back last night over there, and the guy had them all ripped off. So he just gave me a whole handful of the ripped off ones and a whole bunch of packs for free, and the other ones for $1. So I got another extra line of them. Some more dynamite. More dynamite. More dynamite. More dynamite. sorry, but my mom's vacuuming. That's probably what you're hearing. Some more dynamite. 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 It's a firecracker, which I call dynamite because it's fucking loud. Well, sorry, but it's real loud. And that's it for my fireworks stash, except for punks. Um, we got 4 illegal fireworks. Well, I call them illegal because I'm from Grand Junction, you know, and they're illegal. But we got 4. Well, last year we had 4 boxes. Now my uncle, well, who had them, is coming down. I think he didn't want to come down this year because of some incident, I guess. But I got more illegal fireworks. This is just half of it. You can see right there, right there. My crackling dynamite. And plus, we're getting more today. We're gonna stock up on that. Get a Pyro City and get our. Well, we bought some mortars and some bottom rockets and wolf packs. But I can't. I haven't showed that yet because it's all in the box that we got. My mom doesn't want me to open the box, and plus I have a three sisters, and 1 little brother, and they got a lot of fireworks too. So, yep, this is my fireworks stash for 2011, and hope you liked it. I wish I could show some more. I'll try it some other time, but thank you. Bye, and subscribe.